All over the floor.
What is that though?
Yeah. For a second, it was like an action movie.
That was crazy. My bad. I was like, I'll film this up. I turned around and...
What's up, Chucks? Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today is Saturday. It's a good day. It's nice and cloudy. Pretty cold though, not gonna lie. Check out this trailer. We just did a whole ramp show yesterday. Built this little half pipe in a couple days. Got all this painting and cool artistic stuff on the sides. Yeah, but I hurt my hand. This little cut is in the worst possible spot ever because your whole hand doesn't work. And I got a screw right here. This is what you get for working with gloves with no... Sorry, this is what you get for working with wood with no gloves on. I never learned my lesson. This is the problem with living in Las Vegas, is there's so much wind here that like like my yard is basically like a giant grate for trash. Like it gets windy one night and then there's just trash all over the entire place. It's crazy. It's crazy living in Las Vegas because the wind is like the one thing that really bugs me. It's because you can't really have anything nice. Like there's wind, everything gets damaged from the wind. Stuff gets knocked over. There's trash everywhere. There's dirt everywhere. Like all my stuff has dirt on it all the time. Anyways, so today, oops, my phone light is on. Does that ever happen to you guys? Phone light's on? Anyways, today we've been struggling with getting a delivery shift. Doordash does not want me to log in anymore. It's back to the old ways. I haven't been able, is this like this for everyone everywhere? Because this makes it very hard for me to do the daily dash because I like to just log in and drive and drop off the shoe orders for the day and stuff, you know? And then now I have to like pre-plan it out hours ahead. There's no dashes until 6 o'clock. And it's 2:30. 2:57 actually. So I feel like DoorDash is either, there's two things that this could possibly be. One, they're trying to keep the active dashers active. The dashers that are active, more active, you know? Like, there's nothing worse than being logged in trying to make money and you can't make that money. But there's also kind of sucks when you can just never log in. But I do like this because it is better for the dashers who take it seriously and who are dashing full time. It makes more sense. I like it. The fact that I can't log in, I still like that, you know? It's okay. I think if you're going to be dashing seriously, you should definitely get the more orders, and it is good that DoorDash is taking care of them like that, you know? Like, if you are dashing, you will be more active. That's a good thing about DoorDash. Other platforms don't really have that, you know? Anyway, it's just kind of a free-for-all, and everyone can be logged in. That was why Postmates went down the drain, because you had thousands, if actually probably like hundreds of thousands of people in every city logged in all the time, you know? You would never get any orders. By the way, they are building a freaking gas station, totally off topic, right next to my house, and I'm so pissed about it. I think we're gonna have to move. I do not want to live next to a gas station. It's crazy because when we moved into this like crazy log cabin on 1.5 acres of land, there was no one around us. Literally nothing. We lived on a dirt road. It was sweet. 2 years ago. February 15th, 2020, right before the pandemic is when we moved into this place. Nothing around us at all. And within that time frame, there's been like giant freaking areas, like hundreds of houses all over the place just popped up. And now it's not the same as it was before, you know? It used to be really cool. We used to be able to do whatever we wanted, basically, because there was no one around. And now, all of a sudden, we live in the middle of a city. just houses pop up like crazy. It takes them like 10 days to build these houses, and they just go. You know, there's like probably hundreds, if not thousands, of people working on these giant, it's like multiple blocks at a time, and then they just pop up new houses. Boom. Crazy how fast these things build. Anyways, I like the idea that I can't log in. It sucks for me, but I'll be fine. If I was taking dashing more seriously, then yeah, I should be able to, like, hopefully log in. I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below. How does it work for you guys? Like, how is your city doing? Is it hard to log in again? Because since 2020, basically, you can log in. It's been a free-for-all. It's been like, anytime you want to log in, you basically can. And now, for the last at least 2 weeks, it's been hard to get a shift. You know, you kind of have to sit there and like keep refreshing the page over and over and over. And then when you do finally see a shift that pops up that you can do, you try to click it, and then you click, I don't know, finalize shift or whatever, and then it says, this shift is no longer available. This shift is no longer available. I hate that. But anyways, it's all good. If you are taking dashing seriously and you can do like 8-hour shifts, it's good for you. Keep the dashers more active. I like that. I think it's good. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Anyways, my whole body is sore. I haven't done a show that it was like, basically we did 3 30-minute sets, just 90 minutes of riding. Which doesn't sound like that much, but it is kind of a lot when you are going every like 2 minutes and you're doing like pretty hard tricks, you know? I think it probably did like 100 flips yesterday. It's like this gigantic, I'll put in some clips right here. But we're in the middle of this gigantic, like, ridiculous spa party or something like that, and we just had like our little half pipe. It was pretty easy, not gonna lie. And half pipe, I gotta say, we built the half pipe really good this time. That thing was nice. All right, and we are back. I actually just left the gym. Just went to the cryotherapy chamber, basically. That was the whole reason I went to the gym. Man, you feel like Jello when you walk at that thing. It freezes you at like negative. I think the coldest one that I do is at negative 200 or negative 180. You sit in there for 3.5 minutes, and this thing blows like freaking snow around you. It's like, I don't know, the highest or the coldest temperature that I do it at has like the extended, like, I don't know, they blow wind at you, and it's like negative 180. So it's like the ultimate way to freeze your body, basically. But you feel great after, and honestly, it really pushes your mind. What was I gonna talk about? I forgot. Be right back as soon as I remember. Alright, I've officially literally like swiped down on this thing probably about 100 times today. When I was in the gym, I was literally just sitting there swiping, trying to get a shift. It's crazy. It's like so packed with drivers trying to make money. I can't log in, but it is what it is. Honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if this is DoorDash's new thing, and they're giving better opportunities to the drivers with better acceptance rates. I would not put it past them to add that into the algorithm, you know? Because from their perspective, wow, that truck needs to put an exhaust on. From their perspective, you know, of course, the drivers with the highest acceptance rate are going to be the most active, and they're going to do the most deliveries, and statistically, they're probably going to get the most done for DoorDash, you know? Rather than having all the picky drivers on like me, who, I don't even know, what is my acceptance rate? So my ratings are 4.94 customer rating. I still have 1 contract violation, which was so long ago. I can't believe I haven't done 100 deliveries since then. 19% acceptance rate. So 1 out of every 5 orders that pops up, I accept. 95% completion rate. That's pretty damn good. On time or early, 77% of the time. Now, my question to you guys, what are your ratings? More specifically, you're on time or early. What is that one at? Mine's at 77. It's in the red, which I'm not sure what. It says low, so it's low percentage, but I literally drive exactly normal the whole entire way, you know? Anyways, alright, we're almost back to my house. I'm just going to wrap up today's video. I wanted to put out some piece of content today because I missed out on the last 2 days because we were so, like, obviously yesterday we were doing a gig all day long. Pretty much we had to build the ramps in the theater and, like, roll them through the freaking casino. Like, it was a pretty cool little gig though, you know? But we had to roll quarter pipes, basically a full half pipe, through a freaking casino back area where there's like foods being made and all this stuff, and we're just rolling ramps through, like, don't mind us, just a quarter pipe coming through the kitchen. But yeah, anyways, it was fun gig, super easy. Normally gigs are really stressful because you typically have a performance where you're doing like a choreographed routine and like potentially very dangerous stuff, and yesterday was just kind of like, yeah, just ride the ramp for a couple hours, you know? Just do whatever you want. Just ride it and entertain people. It was super, super easy, not too stressful at all. Pretty fun. Anyways, alright, if you guys enjoy my videos at all, please consider subscribing and smash that like button for me. Good news is I took down my videos that I had that were about the C word, you know? They weren't even bad, you know? I was just saying, like, I hope that Doordash doesn't add the V mandate, you know? Anyways, I got flagged for that, and my YouTube basically crashed last month, or for the last 2 months it's been like the views were cut in half. I deleted the videos about 5 days ago, and the views went back. So, obvious censorship right there, but anyways, yeah, please consider subscribing and go to my footwear company at offaxisathletics.com. Use discount code offaxistanner for 30% off. We will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.